Hello, this super short video is going to show you how to add some cool graphics to your infogram project using the free or basic edition. A lot of the things that you want to do will cost you money by upgrading, but there's some really neat things you can do without paying any extra money. So most of the things that you're going to add to your canvas here are going to be on the left side. We can always, of course, add text. I'll just do this right here, and then I can take the text and move it around. And then I can change the text size over here, font size. I can make it bigger or smaller. I can change the text color here. I can use this little color picker, make it a different color. Text is pretty easy to figure out. Then this also has charts if you wanted to add data. This has some cool maps as well. And there's some elements as well, and graphics, and then shapes. But we're going to look at graphics. Graphics are where the cool stuff is. So this database here, this library, has a lot of different things. One of the neat things is the stickers. So I like these stickers because there's a wide variety of things. So things like, we'll do soup can. Just figured soup can, and there's cool things here. And these are neat because they move around. So I can put the soup can anywhere I want as I'm making whatever design I'm going to make. So I can also look for things like, our unit is about civic duties and stuff. So things like protest, and I've got, these little signs and stuff that I could do. So these are just neat because they have a lot of motion, and a lot of people like to put things with motion. The other sort of graphics that I can do are GIFs and things like that. And so I can go click back here, and I can look for actual like icons, regular images, different stickers, different video covers. There's GIFs, which are really like more images. So all sorts of things that you can get and just click them, and you can put them wherever you want, and you can resize them. And that really helps add a lot of neat things to your project. And so now that you know how to do this, you can make a really good project in a really short amount of time. Good luck.